Church family, I guess you're wondering why the survey. There's two reasons for the survey. The first one is for you to have a chance to assess how you've been doing during the pandemic and, of course, during the lockdown. There's different ways to assess how you've been doing, and we thought the best way to do that was for you to answer a few questions. There's only 10 questions on the survey, and it should only take you about 5 minutes. The second reason, and it is just as important, is by us getting information about how you feel you're doing, it will help us to best know how to support you. We want to support you not just during the lockdown, but even after the lockdown is over, and of course the pandemic. And so we hope that you will take the time to fill out this survey and send it on to us. And you have the option of putting your name and your contact information if you'd like us to contact you. However, you don't have to. You can actually fill out the survey anonymously. I hope you do plan to fill out the survey, and we look forward to getting your results and figuring out how we can best support you. We just want you to know that we care about you deeply, and we want what's best for you and your family. So I hope to see the results from your survey very soon. Thank you.